So hello everyone, I'm Shiva here. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So first of all, how are you all guys? Hope you all are well. Now in the previous video we learned about variables, and in previous video I told that if we write var it does not work. I did not actually mean that. It just happened like that at that point of time. Both of them work. We can write var x, anything, both of them works. So today I am having this beautiful car, and today's topic is animation. Yeah, you heard it correct. It is animation. Now I have drawn the car and the background and all. Now I want this car to move around my canvas, like it has to travel like how it goes on the road. For that, for writing an animation, we have something known as, we need to write draw equals function and put two brackets, then give a little bit of space and put a curly bracket. Now it will show an error as we don't have here it is opening the curly brace, and here it is again opening. That does not seem like, it does not mean, so we close it here. Now inside these two curly braces we have these two curly braces. Yeah, now it makes sense. Now the use of this draw function is, whatever code you write inside this function gets read repeatedly. Like the interpreter draws whatever is there inside this repeatedly, again and again and again. So it's like a kind of a loop, or you can say. So, but if I run the code, nothing is happening. The car is only not moving because the position of the car is still on 10. We want it to move 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel. Like that it appears like it is moving, the car. So, at the end of the program, inside the curly braces, we need to tell x equals x plus 1. Put that semicolon, yeah. So what happens is, here we define x as 10. Now inside the draw function, it is defined as x is x plus 1. So 10 plus 1. So the first time when the interpreter reads, it will become 11, then 12. So it gets drawn repeatedly, and 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 1 pixel it moves. By that, we would be seeing a car moving. Let's try it out. Whee! The car is moving. Yay! We created our first animation. Now the car goes like that, like that, like that, like that. So we stop the animation. We can put any value in this. If we put 3, the car would become a supercar. See, it's not a supercar, but now for sure it will be a supercar. See? Did you see that? I will play it again. See the car? It is going like a really fast Bugatti. Now we can put negative values also. The car would be going in backwards. Now you need to observe it carefully because the car is at the starting of the screen. It goes out of the screen in a second. See? It's moving. Now if you put 10, you cannot see it. Look! Did you see? It goes like very, 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 very fast. So This are the basics of animation, how you can create animation. So what's happening inside is the draw function reads the code again and again repeatedly and draws it over and over. So what happens is, the first time when it draws, the car would be at the starting, means at 10 pixels. When it draws it again, like it completes the code, and again over the first canvas it puts the second canvas, and at that time this would change into 11 because we defined it as +1. So every time it would be increasing. So it draws it over and over, but we cannot see the background, anything like it's drawing over and over because it is all green itself. But the car will be moving one pixel towards the right, means it would be moving forward. So that's it for this video. So let's revise once what we learned today. So first we learned the draw function. Using the draw function, the code gets drawn repeatedly and repeatedly and repeatedly. So the next one is, inside the draw function we change the x variable +1. We can put any value. We changed it, so it's getting drawn repeatedly, but we can only see that the car is moving, but thousands of pictures would be drawn. It's like we do that right, something, I don't remember that name. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.